Good evening, students. Today we will learn about remainder theorem. So, what is the remainder theorem? So, this chapter I am taking the chapter polynomial of class 9. So, remainder theorem. Okay. So, let px let px okay, let px be a polynomial let px be a polynomial having degree 1 or greater than 1. Okay, let px be a polynomial having degree 1 or greater than 1. Then if we have to divide px with a divisor x minus a is a linear polynomial means the degree of this polynomial is 1. The degree of a linear polynomial is 1. So x minus a is a linear polynomial. If px, that means this polynomial having degree or greater or having degree 1 or greater than 1 is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, we can tell the remainder of this division by the remainder theorem. So the remainder theorem says that, so how can you do this? So x minus a is the divisor. So the divisor is x minus a, okay, and the dividend is px, okay. So this is as simple as our simple division only. So dividend px and dividend is px and the divisor is x minus a. So now what we have to do, we have to write an equation with this divisor x minus a, we have to write is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to a. Now we have to put the value of x is equal to a in px. So now if we put the value of x is equal to a in px, then pa, that means it will be pa will be the remainder. Okay, pa will be the remainder of this division. Now because we will put the value of x is equal to a in place of the variable x of the polynomial px. So in this way we can find the remainder of a division of the polynomial. Yes, there was one earlier method that I have explained you in earlier videos, that is long division method of polynomial. That is a way, and another way to find the remainder is by doing in this method, by using the remainder theorem. So let us take an example that will help us to understand the concept more clear. So I am doing from exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3, page number will be 40. Page number 40. So exercise 2.3, page number 40, number 1 Roman 2 I am doing. 1 Roman 2, okay. So what is the 1 Roman 2 says? So what was the question? Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by, suppose 2 I have taken, so x minus 1 by 2. So px is equal to, here what will be the value of px? Px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1, okay. So this is the dividend, px is the dividend, and the divisor is, what is the divisor? Which so it is we have taken 2, so the divisor is x minus half. So now we will form an equation with this divisor, that is x minus half is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we will put this value x is equal to 1 by 2 in place of px. So p1 by 2 is the remainder. So we have to put the value of p1 by 2. So p1 by 2 is equal to how much? P1 by 2 will be the remainder. So p in bracket 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2 cube. Here is what? First is x cube, so 1 by 2 cube. Then 3x square plus 3 1 by 2 square. That means we are putting the value, putting the value of x as equal to, we are putting the value x is equal to 1 by 2 in the polynomial px in place of x. Okay. So plus 3 into half plus 1. So we are putting the value of x is equal to half in the polynomial px in place of x. So what we get here, 1 by 8 plus 3 1 by 4 plus 3 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So now what we can do? Now we have to take the LCM. Let the LCM be 8. So 8 1 ja 8. It will be 8 1 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 plus 2 4 ja 8. So 4 3 ja 12 plus 1. Here the denominator is 1, 1 8 ja 8. So 8 into 1 is 8. Okay, so 12 plus 8 will give me 20. 20 plus 6 26 and plus 1 27. 27 by 8. So the remainder is, so p1 by, as I have told you, p1 by 2 will give me the remainder. So p1 by 2 is equal to 27 by 8. Okay. So the answer of this division will be, so the remainder of this division. So the remainder of this division will be 27 by 8. Therefore, the remainder of this division will be 27 by 8. Okay. So in this way you have to do it. Let us take another example. Now we will solve 1 5. Okay. Initially I have solved 1 2. Now 1 5. Here the divisor is how much? 5 plus 2x. Okay. 5 plus 2x. So we have to make an equation. 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of x. 2x is equal to minus 5, means x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay. So here the dividend is the same only. Px is how much? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So now we will put the value of x in place of x, in place of the variable x in px. So what will give me the remainder? So the remainder will be how much? Now if this is the divisor, 5 plus 2x, if we, and px is the dividend. Now if we divide this polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by 5 plus 2yx, then what will be the remainder? The remainder will be how much? If we divide this polynomial px by this divisor 5 plus 2x, then the remainder will be p minus 5 by 2. Okay, that means we will put the value x is equal to minus 5 by 2 in the place of x in the polynomial px. So let's find out what we get. P minus 5 by 2 is equal to how much? Minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 minus 5 by 2 square plus 3 minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So here what will be the answer? Minus 125 by 8. 5 cube is 125. Minus 3 5 ja 3. Here is 3. And here is 5 5 ja 25 by 2. Okay. And here it will be plus. Yes. And again minus 15 by 2 plus 1. So again minus 125 by 8 plus 3 into 25 will give me how much? 75 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Sorry friends, there will be one mistake. 2 square will be 4. Okay, and here also just a minute, here will be 4. Here is 2. Here it is right only 2. Okay, here this one is 2. This one is 2. Okay, now what will be the LCM? 8. So here minus 125 plus 4 2 ja 8, 2 into 75 is 150 minus 2 4 ja 8, 4 into 15 is 60 plus 1, here the denominator is 1, 1 8 ja 8, so 8 1 ja 8. Okay, so now 150, now let us take all the plus together. 150 plus 8 is 158 and minus 125 and 60, minus 125 and minus 60 will give me how much? Sorry, 5 6 8 minus 185, minus 185 by 8. Okay, now minus 185, here what? Minus 185 plus 158, minus 185 plus 158 is how much? So 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 5 and 1 was 6. 8 minus 6 is 2, 27. So here the sign will be that of the greater one, minus 185. So minus 27. So minus 27 by 8. So the remainder of this division will be so the remainder is how much? Minus 27 by 8. Okay friends, I hope you have understood. You please do the other questions of this example, of this exercise. You try to do the other questions of this exercise, and if you face any problem, you just tell me, or you can WhatsApp me the problem. Okay, I will solve for you. Okay students, thank you.